Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So let's fix this issue together. We are going to use mouse only, not going to use keyboard to fix this issue. And so right click here on the start icon and click on settings. Click on these three lines and go to accessibility, and then scroll down and click on keyboard section. Now we need to turn off this option, the filter keys. Once done, just close this window, then again right click here, select the device manager, and then we need to expand the keyboards. Right click on the particular device, select properties, go to its drivers tab and click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option. If you are not, and if this does not work, then just go back and click on this second option. Now click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So click here and select the model, click on next, and once done, close all windows one by one, and simply we need to restart the system. So it will pop up a new window that will ask you, do you want to restart your system? Then we will set to be yes. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our pin comment and description link to fix this issue quickly and more effectively than this. Also, it can also help you a lot to fix this issue. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.